Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous.
First, get the minced beef in the fridge. Hadi, in the fridge.
What's Mitch?
Minced beef, you will see it. Just open this one. Get this one, be careful. Get it, Hadi. Careful, careful. Okay. You're done with that. Now second is I will give you this. Let me gloves with this one. And then you will wear this. Hadi, wear it. Do you know how to do it?
It's so squishy.
Okay.
Okay guys, now I'm wearing gloves. Now. I don't know why is this so hard. Okay, look at this guys.
Now get the salt.
Get the soy okay. This
Oh,
is
wait.
so easy.
Kailangan natin tong...
We
We need to transfer in a big
an big
plate. A big plate, yes. Okay.
This one.
Yes. And use that. Get salt and put in the minced beef. Hadi.
What should I do?
Okay, just put it there. Okay. Hadi. Put it all. Okay, that's enough. No, you don't need that. You don't need this. That. This one. Yes. And get this one. Also the black pepper. Yes, I'll go there. But I have you here because you will get hapshu.
No, it's okay.
Okay, this one. I'll put it. Put it all. Hadi. Put it all. Hadi. Okay. Good.
Oops.
Good job. Okay, enough.
Wait.
That's enough. Put the spoon here. Now, let's move on in the cara liver or black pepper. This one make you hapshu.
No, I can do it. I can't do it.
Okay. Done? Okay, that's enough. I forget the onion. We need to put onion, Dalla. Why you didn't remind me to put onion? I told you. Wait.
But it didn't.
Okay, just wait a minute. So do you know what is this?
Mom, this is like gone to my eye.
This is grater.
It's gonna make me cry.
Huh?
It's gonna make me cry. You can do that.
No. You will... Sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin. Though, it's very windy. Right, Damla? Oh. Wait. We are making our dinner now. Right, Damla? And Damla is helping Mommy. Yes. Because Damla is... She needs to help Mommy. Right, Damla?
Yeah. Help, Mommy.
Now you have to lamas-lamas na this, Damla. Lamas it. What is lamas in Turkish? In Turkish is... Now you have to mix it all down. You have to mix that, Damla. Mix it using your hands. Hadi. Mix it like this. Tuk, lamas. Hadi. Make it
But
down.
Mom, this sound may fight because I did
Yes, it's
that.
part. Diba? Kalokohan talaga, puro. Hadi. You have to mix it like using your hand. Using your hand. Hadi. That's why I give you blood.
Hadi.
Hadi. You have to, so much.
Ew.
Hadi, give all your strength.
Give all my strength.
Yes, all your strength. Hadi.
Ew.
Ew, that's food. You will eat that later.
No, I don't wanna eat.
Hadi. Smash it or punch it. Ferin.
Like hamoy. I'm making a sad one.
Circle. Don't play down la. Yeah.
I.
Okay. Kasi. Lucian. You're so maamos. Why are you maamos? Huh?
My mouth is like that.
Yes, because you are maamos.
That's Rama Os.
Maamos, it means, pala to.
It's look like me. It's look like orange lipstick
Orange.
and filter.
Filter, yes, you are right. Ngayon guys, ayan. Sobrang, alalala, alalala. Ayan na nga po yung ginawa ko na cake. Chocolate, tapos hindi ko nilahat na cake kasi nga nakakaano siya, nakakaumay. Tapos gumawa na din ako ng ito. Ito yung kay Murat. Ayan. Tapos ito yung sa amin ni Damla. Kasi ito kay Murat, ano yan, vegetables yan. Tapos itong sa amin, potato na may punta tayo labas mga guys. Yeah. It's right there. I know, Damla. I know. Come here. Punta tayo ng labas guys kasi Damla, you're very noisy. Don't close, Damla. Hala. Punta tayo ng labas guys kasi mamaya pitas tayo ng ng plum. Kasi nauubos na to eh. Titingin kami ng bintana. Paubos siya ng paubos. Grabe. Kuha din kami. Balik tayo. Kasi sabi nila na gusto niya itong mag-scooter. So kunin natin yung kanyang scooter. Ang init sa labas. Ating susi. Let's get her scooter. Hindi kasi namin iniiwan yung kanyang scooter sa labas guys kasi nasisira ng mga bata. Hi guys. Layo-layo tayo para hindi naman makita masyado yung buhok natin sa kilikili. Kakape ako eh. Okay na nga. Ito na po yung aming nakuha na na plum doon sa baba. 17 yung nakuha namin. Kaya gusto, hindi ako mahilig sa prutas, kahit anong prutas, hindi talaga ako mahilig. Tapos pag bumibili nito si Murat sa market, hindi talaga ko nakain, lang siya, kasi si Murat lang yung nakain. Madami yung nabibili niya. Siya, parang lumalambot na lang siya, gano'n. Tapos, dire-diretso yung nabubulok, ganyan. Kasi hindi na ako nakain talaga. Pero ito, nung unang natikman ko to doon, galing sa puno namin dyan sa baba ng city. Masarap siya guys, promise. Kaya gusto kong kumukuha talaga. Nakikita ko na paubos na, kaya sabi ko, sige na, kuha na din tayo. Hindi na kami nahiya. Kumuha kami ng marami talaga. Kasi yan, paubos na siya ng paubos. Masarap to, favorite ko siya guys. Favorite ko pag doon sa puno na yun. Kasi, ewan ko, masarap kasi. Tapos may pear din nga doon, diba? Sabi ko, ang tamis din talaga niya guys. Sabi nila maasim, pero nung pumitas ako, ang tamis.